This strange creature urinated nearby, and to everyone's surprise, the spot where it had urinated began to sprout numerous fruits. At that moment, the woman curiously picked up one of the fruits. She used a small knife to cut it open, only to discover a tiny figure inside. Ellie gently touched the tiny person, and immediately, the figure started to move downward, preparing to activate the fruit's mysterious mechanism. As the mechanism was triggered, the figure's body began to wither at an observable rate. Once the mechanism fully opened, the little person ran to the other side to recover. At that moment, a seed appeared right in front of Ellie. She picked up the seed and tossed it into a bucket. The next day, Ellie sat on a small boat on the lake, and with a drop of mysterious liquid, she applied it to the blue fruit. Then, something magical occurred. The blue fruit started to expand wildly. When it was sufficiently swollen, Ellie took out a weapon, sliced the fruit open, and sprinkled in some seeds. Afterward, she began waiting for her teammate's signal. Meanwhile, Chris sat high above, twisting the head off an alien bug and using it as a makeshift telescope to carefully watch Ellie's position on the lake. He kept an eye out for the flying fish, and when he spotted one, he quickly crushed a bug, using its screeching cry as a signal flare. Ellie immediately threw the seeds into the lake below. The next moment, an astonishing scene unfolded. Thousands of flying insects erupted from the water, and even a massive flying insect flew up onto the shore. Seeing his teammate's success, Chris quickly stuffed a bug into a bag to make a simple flying glider, which he used to float across the river and successfully meet up with Ellie. Chris took charge of blocking other animals looking for food, while Ellie quickly moved to the belly of the flying fish. After slicing it open, she crawled inside. To their surprise, the creatures of this planet had a very sci-fi interior. After some work, the flying fish ejected a thick blue substance. The two of them collected and stored this substance, then found a small dinosaur-like creature, feeding it the blue goo.